Hi everybody, it's about 6:32 a.m. and there has been a recent report on the validity of incentivizing effective teachers in the American public school system. Adversaries claim that implementing such a massive reform to the school system would be costly and ineffective. They argue that many school systems within the country do not even have enough money in the budget to maintain the supply of paper. In addition, they claim that past performance-based compensation programs only rewarded the top 15 to 20% of performers, leaving other successful teachers unrewarded. Plus, they argue it would be nearly impossible to define what makes an effective teacher. However, they fail to realize that the situation has gotten so extreme that thousands of teachers have exploited the benefit of tenure, knowing that regardless of their work ethic, they will remain hired and continue to be paid the same as everyone else. They fail to realize that over 700 ineffective New York teachers have been sent to rubber rooms to play board games such as Scrabble and surf the internet, still being paid their full salaries. They fail to realize that unmotivated teachers who have lost interest in teaching are earning as much as effective teachers who care for their students' learning. Therefore, teachers should be compensated, and one of the most viable methods is through financial benefits. Money dedicated to the rubber rooms of New York and similar associations can easily be redistributed among the working teacher class. The money should be given to the effective teachers, not necessarily to incentivize them, they already have the desire to produce well-performing students, but to incentivize the less intrinsically motivated ones, which will inevitably increase student performance at a larger scale. While adversaries argue that financial benefits are inherently unequal in the realm of a school system, it is also inherent that fare is not equal, especially in a capitalistic society such as America. There is nothing wrong with financial compensation, as it is the foundation for merit pay in athletics and other industries. Football players receive higher salaries for competing in the Super Bowl. Nurses and doctors receive financial benefits for treating more patients. It is not necessary that such financial benefit comes in the form of one's salary. Teachers could be financially rewarded with student loan forgiveness, insurance discounts, college tuition, and technological grants. However, in order for the American school system to produce more effective teachers and improve the education of the students at a large scale, merit-based rewards are absolutely essential. The last matter, driving some of the most heated debates on the internet blogs and the press in recent days, is the issue of defining an effective teacher. Opponents argue that test scores are an inefficient and potentially dangerous way of defining teachers, as it encourages teachers to teach towards the test. But it is undeniable that students who perform well on the test have indeed learned more of the expected curriculum than students who performed poorly, and students who know test material are much more desired than students who know none of the material, despite the fact that using test scores is a practical method of indicating an effective teacher. Other methods should also be used in conjunction, such as surveys from students and others who directly interact with teachers on a daily basis. Because such reform is financially and logistically feasible, if it could be implemented to the American education system, more teachers would strive to improve the knowledge of their students, and the education of American students would be radically improved. I'm Michael Gustafson and the host of the educational broadcast for 109.9. Enjoy the rest of your day.